please share this live. Me have one stalker, somebody will not leave me alone. I got the police station, they are not helping me.
We went to the Mandeville police station. I am her mom.
And they're not
We
helping
just came
me.
from Mandeville police station,
We
right?
just come from Mandeville police
and when
station.
we went to Mandeville police station, right? The police are letting us know that it's basically nothing, right? And they're saying somebody in Barbados cannot do my daughter anything in Jamaica.
This is serious, guys.
This is very serious.
The person has threatened my life. Me
After the person, somebody called and said to my daughter that, listen, this person is looking for a hitman in Jamaica to take you out. You understand? And we're trying to let the police in Mandeville police station know what's going on, and they are saying that it's nothing. Somebody in Barbados cannot do you nothing. And I'm saying to the Minister of Security and whoever is hearing us, this is the first incident I have had with police run-ins. Me never understand when people are talking about police what they mean. You understand? And this is why people have to take matter into them own and move the something. Let me tell you.
You
see, if anything happened to my daughter, people on the live want to share this as much as I can share it. You see, if anything happened to my daughter, I'm gonna become Jamaica's first fucking serial killer. You hear me tell you?
Wagwan people, wagwan, where I deal with people. Welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna talk about this young lady. She goes by the name Blue Royal on Instagram, and she uploaded a video last night claiming a gentleman is stalking her. This girl lives in Mandeville, but the stalker is in Barbados. So she said she went to report the incident to the Mandeville police, and they did nothing. They didn't take a statement. They didn't listen to nothing that she had to say. Which, in fact, there's nothing really they can do because the person is not in the island. You can make a report, but you know, Jamaican police, they didn't take the report. Them up there laugh and not say, you know, serious. But this lady and her mom was on Instagram Live, and they were going off. But at the same time, what I don't get, even though the police didn't do nothing, you can't come on the live and disrespect them at the same time. Because now they're going to have a bad taste in their mouth, and more than likely them not going to really want to help you. You have to really get other people involved. Minister of Security and everybody have to get involved with this one people. But me feel it for this young lady. We don't there is three sides to every story. So she said this man has nudes of her, and he's threatening to post the nudes on social media. But we have to get the full backstory to this, because obviously they was in a relationship. Because the mom said it on the live, saying that there was in a relationship. So we know there is more to it than what was said on the live. But at the same time, the man them who, if there wasn't a relationship and she decides she know I've been in a relationship no more, just let it be. You know, if you do the stalking thing, brother, the stalking thing not gonna work. You see me, I say, you can't threaten the girl life. You have to kill the girl because the girl don't want to be with you no more. Me know, like the man, enough for the man, you probably
just
have a lot invested in this relationship. But still, sometimes you have to just count the losses and cut. You see me, you cannot out there threaten people life. You have to send people PR and all that. And she said, remember I said she was in a relationship with this guy, because she went to Barbados, and while in Barbados, the same guy over there sent somebody to kill her, and I guess the person said no, them can't do it. So that's just show you the extreme the brother got through for hurt this girl. And if you hurt this girl now, what I thought do for you? What kind of peace that I will give you? If it's somebody that you loved, what kind of peace that's gonna give you knowing that, all right, me get rid of that person? Come on, you have to be real now, people. You can't go out there threatening people life. I don't care what happened. Me no business if she take money for you. Me no business what. All of that is irrelevant. Everything is irrelevant. You cannot threaten people life. I talk about you gonna kill them. You gonna do all that. Just let it be, brother. As I said, there is Three sides to every storm. I don't know your side. She's telling her side, and her mother was going off on live, so she's gonna be Jamaica's first serial killer. We don't want all of that. We don't want none of that. The year 2020 are going, we just want to live with life and be thankful that we get to see another day. But this killing, and no man, we have to do better. Jamaica as a whole. The stalking thing now work. She said she was in the police station. Police now take statement. Police now do nothing. The stalker youth call while she was in the police station. It's a lot to this story, but people, if me get more information on this, I will definitely let you know, because there is more. She said she's going to make a whole YouTube video or a whole video on it. She's gonna put out the stalker picture, name, everything. So I would have done that from the get-go. Like, don't hide nothing. You see me, I say, cause the longer you take for put out things, you never, God forbid, what can happen. So I would have put everything out. Me wanna wait for nothing. Just put everything out and make the world see what go on. And you, if you listen to this, brother, just start the girl out, the girl alone, make the girl live her life. She go her separate ways, you go her separate ways, brother. There's a bunch of other females out there in this world. If you try to kill somebody over because them know I'll be with you, that is nonsense. That is totally nonsense. I hope everybody find peace in this. As I said, brother, leave people data alone. No matter what you know have been through or what y'all was, it's no longer. Let it be. Somebody don't need to lose them life over foolishness. Alright, I'm out.
Please share this live. Me have one stalker, somebody will not leave me alone. I got the police station, they are not helping me.
We went to the Mandeville police station. I am her mom.
And they're not
We
helping
just
me.
came from Mandeville police station,
We
right?
just come from Mandeville police
And when
station.
we went to Mandeville police station, right? The police are letting us know that it's basically nothing, right? And they're saying somebody in Barbados cannot do my daughter anything in Jamaica.
This is serious, guys.
This is very serious.
The person has threatened my life. Me
After
need
the person, somebody called and said to my daughter that, listen, this person is looking for a hitman in Jamaica to take you out. You understand? And we're trying to let the police in Mandeville police station know what's going on, and they are saying that it's nothing. Somebody in Barbados cannot do you nothing. And I'm saying to the Minister of Security and whoever is hearing us, this is the first incident I have had with police run-ins. Me never understand when people are talking about police what they mean. You understand? And this is why people have to take matter into them own and move the something. Let me tell you.
Let me tell you.
You see, if anything happened to me daughter, people on the live want to share this as much as I can share it. You see, if anything happened to me daughter, I'm gonna become Jamaica's first fucking serial killer. You hear me tell you? Me, I'm gonna become Jamaica's first woman serial killer. If anything happened to my daughter, because nobody seems to be listening and nobody seems to be understanding what we're talking about. If you're there with one man, right, and the man give you money, right, and the man want to control everything. Julia, put back something make you hear, because people can see you me talk about. And the man give you money, and the man fire whatever. Me realize that the guy is controlling and he's psychotic. If you understand what I am saying.
Hold on, let me talk. This person has threatened my life. This is not if you take joke. This is not if nobody laugh over. This is not no joke time, because every time
Tell them already,
hold on, mommy. Every time something serious happen on the internet, people on take it for joke, on share it, on do all kind of foolishness. This is important. I have a stalker. I have messages. I have voice notes. I have everything. I have all I proof. I have all different kind of him read. The guy share nude pictures of me. Him do all kind of things. All kind of things.
You have
this
people
is
in
important.
Barbados to prove send people at your house to hurt you.
Him send all people. When I was in Barbados, this guy sent people to my home. And also himself show up at my home.
And the guy will come, a guy saying cannot do
I did report it to the police. The police done business. Me report it. Oh no, so the police not business. I reported it to the police and them.
We just come from the police station, you know. We just come from the police station. They're gonna make we know say. They're gonna make we know say. Well, let me talk to them. They're gonna make we know say Right? I know nothing that. But me I tell you no, listen what me I tell you say no. If anybody hurt my picnic, me I gonna become Jamaica first woman serial killer. Oh no, listen what me I fucking tell you say. Alright.
People, me need your help to share this live. I'm going to post it on my phone. I'm also going to do a full video. I'm going to post a picture of who the person is. I'm going to talk in details, everything what happened. I have proof. I have messages. I have voice messages. I have every single thing. I got the police station a while ago, the Mandeville police station a while ago, and they don't care. Them no want to do nothing about it. They don't care. I called the Bajan police station because me know which part him live. So I called the police station and they told me that I can take out a restraining order against him when I am in the country. Now, you see why we have so much crime in our country and why so much things are going on.
Why we have so much problem here.
Imagine that I am in need of a police assistant. Me bring proof to you. And I let me come to you and I talk a bag of things. I brought you proof. And you have to look for me and tell me, say, there is nothing you can do because it is not a big deal and important. That the police are telling me, after me bring this policeman, even while I was at the police station, this person call on my phone and me show the police say I call me from an unknown number, and the policeman are gonna make me know say it is not a big deal. Some if you stay at me yard, I'm afraid. I'm not for go nowhere. I'm not for talk to nobody. I'm just paranoid. I'm just paranoid every day of my life, and that's it.
So you see why certain things are happening in our country, and then I go jump now and in the ear next person side of story and on the ear police them side of story. I first me ever from me have sense realize that when people are talk say she is my daughter. First from me hear people are talk about police me ever experience it with them. Even though when police was at me here, even though me didn't know so them and nobody can half of them are dons and they have bad man and for them come obviously they hurt by woman before. You understand how they have some issues with female and you can jump on it like a bitch and eat and talk foolishness. I am saying somebody needs to take up this in honors and you're going to become Jamaica first woman serial killer.
Me talk to them about it. Me go over there. I know whoever it is, damn or whatever. Me understand all of the restrictions and everything. I totally understand. That is why I called both of them. I call the Bajan police and I call the Jamaican police. You know why? Because me no want nobody to come do me nothing and then when you see me never talk, say me never talk. This person has been stalking me from me not even know what to say. Me don't even know what to say. I am so disgusted by this whole system. Me disgusted, I'm sick to my stomach. And the policeman that today will deal with me the way he deal with me. I hope you don't have a daughter. I hope you don't have a child. I hope you don't have no picnic. I hope you not have no picnic. I hope you not have no picnic. I'm disgusted and I'm ashamed.
Ugly weird looking policeman there from Mandeville police station where say I'm a super or whatever, the big ugly weird looking
CIB and him claim say I'm a super
dirty ugly policeman will go upstairs and talk to the big ugly man, the weird looking man, the weird face coffee and have a batty wall. Him me a talk to you, Mr. Shithouse. Remember, so me tell you say the boy that do me picnic anything now go work like all it a go.
It not gonna work. Me go to this man, me have proof. Me sit down. People are like me go to the man and just talk a bag of things. And that's the part where burn me. Me not go to him and me not just go to him and talk a bag of things. Me go and me talk to the man calm. Me have no ends of proof in my phone. Me have evidence the boy leak. The guy leak naked pictures and all kind of things and me explain to the officer. See the big stinking man here. But that's not nothing.
But me tell you, she should record the conversation.
It is my fault.
You should record the conversation with you.
I should have recorded the conversation.
You should record the conversation with you, the big dirty stinking man.
For all that girl them out there, people are where stalk you know. Don't bother go police station because the police them say if people are stalk you is nothing. And nothing that. So if somebody is stalking, nobody waste the time go over station because the police them said it is nothing if somebody is stalking. I'm going to post it up, I'm going to do a video, I'm going to post the guy picture, I'm going to expose him. When me tell me some have proof, me mean some in at the police station and the guy call me from unknown number. All me I say, officer, look, see the guy call me. The man wouldn't even take the phone. No, me have proof. Me just a come from over the station. Look on the timestamp on my phone. See it there? Look on it. It is 2:46 and me just a come from over the station. Look on my phone. 2:10. I was standing in front of the police officer and I show him, said the man a call me phone. The policeman wouldn't even say, let me take the phone and answer the phone. The police officer in Mandeville police station told me that if somebody is stalking you, it is nothing. I am disgusted by Uno.
No, he said that is not stalking. That is not stalking.
The man said
if it's not physical, it's not stalking.
This person,
if it's not physical, it's not stalking. That's what the piece of shit said.
This person has attempted to pay someone to harm me, and the person showed up at my house and told me that they could not go through with it. This person has also contacted my travel agent trying to get information on me. Now, where part me live and everything. Me go to the police them over Mandeville police station. Me disgusted out no. Uno sick me stomach. I know me see why people hate to know and people don't like to know. Uno sick me stomach and a big stinking policeman there today. I hope you don't have no picnic and I hope me see up on the news. Me don't like you. Sick me stomach. And this one always I do. When people come to you and I tell you no things, you sit down pan a high horse or whatever kind of cock you sit down pan, you do no big belly.
No, I ask him it's a big stinking batty wall.
You sit down pan a high horse and look pan people and talk all kind of foolishness. The man gonna make me know so when somebody is stalking you, it is nothing. So if you sit down and make somebody come hurt me and them the same drunk the over station or go pan news go tell lie, so me never talk about it and say me never come over there because I say it's drunk. Then lie and stay, you know. When nothing happen, the drunk them over police over a station tell lies and nobody never tell them nothing. Sick my stomach. Sick my stomach. And that's how we have so much crime in the country. Because if you know that doing the job, me wouldn't have to depend on my phone and make live right now.
I told them to prove it, that's why we have some people always tell me, you know, people were in a problem always.
The police them don't do nothing.
Never feel it till today. I told them to feel the anxiety police them. Told them to feel the anxiety hungry police them over Mandeville police station. The dirty, nasty, hungry police over Mandeville police station. I told them to feel the anxiety them.
You full of shit like crap. You sick my stomach. I go in front of this big stinking man and I don't care who wants me I disrespect you. I don't have no respect for you. Because me as a young girl, I come in front of you. And you can't tell me say you don't have picnic. Me as a young girl, I come in front of you, I have proof. I just sit down in front of you and make up a bag of things and I talk. I come in front of you and even while I sit down in front of you, this man I call on my phone. I come in front of you and I tell them the situation and I go look at me and tell me say that is nothing. So if you sit down and make somebody come kill me or when things happen now, you see me go tell a bag of lie and say
we never report it.
We never report it. The people them don't even take a statement from me. Nothing. Them don't take a statement. Believe me, say them don't take a statement. The people them don't take a statement. Them not ask me where my name. They don't ask me where me come from. They don't ask me nothing. All the man make me do is sit down and tell him my story and I show him my phone and them and there. When me done talk, when me done waste my breath, this stinking dirty man look at me and I go tell me say that is nothing. When somebody is stalking you, that is nothing. This man has stalked me. Stalk me, the man text down my family them. Him say nude picture of me. Him attempt to have to hire people to hurt me. Me have all of the proof in my phone. The man go as far as to even call me travel agent. Because me travel, him go as far as to even call me travel agent to get information for me. Wanna tell me why them police here so big and dirty? Why them so corrupt? People say them don't like who don't know. People say them hate who don't know. Wanna jump up and talk about people hate for not doing no job. Wanna full of shit. I'm not like none of uno. Me see none of fire. I wouldn't spit for uno. Me not like none of uno. Me don't like ask them to share live. None of uno. Me not like none of uno. People may ask uno to share the live here. Share the live here and I go save it. And at the Mandeville police station the matter. The Mandeville police the matter. Me not like uno. The big stinking man they me talk to. And you can say me come in you probably go see the live here. You can probably say that I am disrespecting you, but you have not earned my respect. You not earn my respect. You not earn my respect as a big man. You not earn my respect as a police. You are full of shit. Me a young girl, I'm come to you, going to tell you me in a danger. Me show you proof. Me sit down and me tell you what I want, and you look me in my face and tell me say that is nothing. You sick my stomach. You sick my stomach.